Ever dreamed of a pool that's always at the perfect temperature? Make it a reality with our ultimate guide to heat pumps. Consider this your roadmap to pool paradise. We're breaking down the key factors you need to know to transform your pool into a year-round oasis. Looking at our pool calculator, you may wonder, which one should I use? It turns out that we have two versions, one for people with basic knowledge and one for advanced users. Pool calculator will give you an estimated of the BTU per hour needed, so based on that number you can select boiler or heat pump size. Don't let your pool size be a stumbling block. We delve into the relationship between pool size and heat pump capacity, ensuring you choose the right equipment for efficient heating. Discover the perfect water temperature for your pool that accommodates various preferences. We provide guidelines to help you find the ideal balance between refreshing coolness and soothing warmth, ensuring your pool is inviting to all swimmers, regardless of personal preferences. The success of your pool heating journey hinges on proper installation. We provide insights into selecting qualified professionals, understanding the installation process, and maintaining your system for long-term performance. A professionally installed heat pump is the key to unlocking the full potential of your pool.